TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 96. You get the NASDAQ off 30. S&Ps are down 14. Gold contract down $4.70, trading at $1,255 an ounce. We have silver down 14 cents at $17.51 an ounce. Platinum's off $11 at $9.53 an ounce. You get light sweet crude down 36 cents, trading at $50.99 a barrel. Notes, the 10-year note down 2 ticks. 129.23, 30-year bond off 11 ticks, 163.26. King dollar's up 532 ticks, 97.46. The euro's trading at $1.10, and the yen is trading at 103.82. If we go over to the SPY and we take a look at the SPY, this is what you have happening, folks. The SPY and the Dow Industrials still the weakest indices. SPYs right now are trading at 214.82. Bottom line is that, got up to a price point of 216.70 yesterday. It can't handle the downdraft from September 9th, which is 217.03. We look at the Dow Industrials, same type of setup inside the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials right now are trading at 18,228. That cannot handle 18,404. We made it to 18,399 yesterday. Now, NDX 100 and the composite, different animal. This is what you have. NDX 100 yesterday got to a new high. NDX 100 got up to a price point of 49.04. It took out the 48.95. And bottom line, what that sets up, I expect, is this. You're down 29 points right now. I don't see it staying down. Why? Because guess what? This composite got so close to its high. The high of yesterday was 53.40, 52. Bottom line, this thing wants to get it to 53.42.82. So yesterday had light volume. You had a lot of equities fail on price, fail on volume. What I expect you're going to see out here today, this back down is going to be on light volume. The NASDAQ, the NDX 100, wants to make a run for those highs once again. I expect a failure, but I expect you're going to see that NASDAQ composite hit that high. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract right now is trading down 510. You get 80,000 contracts trading, and you're coming into the trading of the last couple of days with dramatically lighter volume. I don't see. We came down. You're talking about 20,000 contracts, and this is doing all of 1,700 contracts. So I expect you're going to see gold flat, slightly higher before the end of the day. And where do we go? Well, actually, let's go to King Dollar first, because King Dollar is testing its July 25th high right now. That high, we're talking about $97.61. We've hit $97.49, and what I expect you're going to see, that is almost, well, it's just about 100% move on the top side, number one. But this is dying on the vine. And when I talk about dying on the vine, what I'm talking about is this, is that last Friday, you had 49,000 contracts out here. You're doing 15,000 contracts. It's been a straight line move up. I suspect it can test it. Yes, it can hit it. I suspect you're going to get a failure up in it. And now you go over to the notes. The notes are going to be the ones to watch out here in a big way, folks. And this is what you have. The notes right now, we get the 10-year trading at 129.24. 129.26, a close above that today would be a failure to get to lower price with lighter volume. The 30-year is under that swing point right now, but just barely under it. We're at 163.18. A close above 164.13 would also be a failure, and I suspect that'll go higher. So the notes and bonds you want to keep your eye on. The market itself, folks, I expect what you're going to see here, the volatility is going to continue. The Dow's down $100, NASDAQ's down 30, S&Ps are down 14. I expect before the end of the day you're going to see that maybe down $50 in the Dow, $7 in the S&P. This market wants to test those highs once again inside the composite and the NDX 100. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
If you're looking to discover a new financial resource and diversify your financial portfolio, consider the new Market Safe Focused Commodity CD from Everbank. This 5-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD gives you exposure to 6 equally weighted commodities, including gold, silver, copper, nickel, soybeans, and sugar, in one powerful CD. With annual pricing caps of 50% per component, you could earn up to a 50% upside payment at maturity if the commodities increase in value across annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There is no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this index CD. Don't miss out. Take advantage of this financial resource designed to grow with the times. The October 13th funding deadline will be here before you know it. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.